Hello and welcome to our automated business system, where you can make unlimited commissions of $100, $500, and even $1,000 paid instantly and directly to you daily. This system was built by a company that has created highly successful income-generating systems in the past, building substantial incomes for many, and even wealth for others. These days, there are more people nationwide and worldwide, looking for a way to make money from home, now, more than any other time in history. The following is a straightforward breakdown of the most common business options and what makes our business model so special. Starting with traditional, or storefront businesses, we all have great admiration for them. They are the backbone of most countries' economies. We're also aware of the challenges, including a detailed business plan, large upfront investment, substantial monthly overhead, very long hours, oftentimes working 7 days per week, then the long-term risk of loans, equipment, and likely taking years before ever seeing a profit. That's why we now see so many traditional business owners who are also looking for online alternative income-generating concepts like everyone else. When it comes to starting a traditional online affiliate business, the challenges are also very straightforward. Starting with the simple fact that there are literally millions of affiliates online promoting every type of product imaginable. The competition is extreme and online shoppers have become very savvy. The average commission of traditional affiliate marketing is low, so of course, it takes many sales per week to achieve a worthwhile profit. The final point is again, marketing, advertising skills, just to get your product line seen by enough potential buyers. To get to the point where you have achieved the skill level to do it consistently, can take years. Network marketing has been popular for decades for a few very simple reasons. There's an endless variety of companies and product lines to choose from, and it's typically a relatively low risk to get started. Then there's the other side that people come to realize: you need to be able to sell the concept to other people who are looking to start a home-based business. You have to be able to lead and train them, their prospects, and so on down the line. With that, you need to understand detailed compensation plans and in turn, help all those same people understand as well, and so on. Even if you decide to focus on retail customers, you realize the products are overpriced to compensate for a pay plan through several levels. Now this is the most eye-opening fact about our system. Think about this for a moment. To use the example of one sale at an average commission per sale in affiliate or network marketing of $20, it would take 5 sales to match just one sale at our $100 level. Now to match our $500 level, it would take 25 sales to match our system, and at our $1,000 level, it would take 50 sales to match just one sale in our system. Keep in mind, that's not to mention the investment of time, effort, and money that might go into making each of those sales to match a single sale within our system. This is where things really start to make sense for everyone. In stark contrast to the typical forms of generating income online, there are several very clear reasons both experienced marketers and newbies alike are very drawn to this new way to make income online. It all starts with simplicity and automation. Our systems start with a complete marketing funnel system including capture pages, video sales page, automated email follow-up, with a complete back-office lead and sales tracking system. Our product line is literally a video library of how to be successful online and in life. Our training and educational library includes everything from how to successfully market on TikTok, Facebook and Facebook business groups, Instagram, and many of the most effective business building methods that most people do not know. Our system is very automated and most questions can be answered via email. Most importantly, you will be paid instantly and directly via your choice of the most trusted systems including PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and Stripe. These systems can be set up in a matter of minutes and you're ready to accept direct payments instantly. One key element our system provides is an optional call center that will follow up for you. Even though the system does most of the selling and most questions can be answered via email, if you're someone who is not comfortable answering questions or you don't have the time, our call center is the perfect option. Also, we are a group of professionals that have been in the marketing and advertising industry for decades. We're providing our own special bonuses where we create proven, effective ads, like the one that brought you here. Then we also create AI videos like this one, to further enhance your marketing efforts. We'll even run your first ads at no cost to you, to help you get off to a strong start while giving you a complete outline of the most effective, cost-effective, and free ways to promote and build your business. For details, call anytime with questions you may have or simply click on the link on this page to access our website. Now you can finally get a vision of what your life could truly be if you had a business that gave you everything you needed to run on autopilot, while consistently generating the kind of income that gave you the time freedom to live the life you've always wanted. Join us now so we can help you get started on your path to your ultimate lifestyle. Simply click the link on this page to get started and we'll see you on the inside.